Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking a brokerage that fits your style. Choose one with low fees and a clear mobile app. Once chosen, open an account and verify ID using your driver's license and SSN. This speeds approval. Next, link your bank with routing and account numbers and initiate a transfer. Choose the funding amount you're comfortable risking. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for security. These steps put you in position to search for Apple and place your first trade. Now search for Apple and scan the live price and recent chart to see momentum. Once done, choose an order type. A market order executes immediately at current price, while a limit order sets the max you pay. Use fractional shares if you want precise dollar exposure. Enter either share count or dollar amount, check estimated fees and buying power, then review the order summary. Make sure to double-check order type and size. Before you tap, confirm to send it to the market. After placing the trade, confirm the execution in your account and note the fill price and timestamp. This confirms ownership. Then set alerts and consider a sell limit or stop to manage risk and enroll in dividend reinvest if desired. If the order fails or is rejected, check your bank transfer status, account verification, and whether the market had a halt. If you still can't trade, contact brokerage support. Remember, stay calm, verify details, and learn from the execution to improve next time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.